Definitely just screwed up the camera. So what is going on, everybody, and welcome to the video. Today we're digging into the Petromax Green Guaranteed. The Petromax Guaranteed Green Spray. We're going to use a liquid fertilizer. This is one of those products I'm trying out for the first time, so I've linked to it in the description below. If you'd like to try it, we're going to post an update video in a week, but you can use promo code TAHOE, T-A-H-O, that's The Average Homeowners, T-A-H-O, for $10 off your first $50 order. I think it might even work every time. Go ahead and log on, check out their products. They've got awesome sprayers, lawn fertilizers, lots of liquid stuff. I'm really liking this. We're going to try this one specifically on the test yard, and we've got some spots that you've seen in previous videos, the burned out spots in the front and side yards. We're going to put this down on that. But first, let's dig into how you're going to prep this. So we have the 4-gallon backpack sprayer. Every 2 gallons mixed with 16 ounces of Rapid Green is going to get you around 1,250 square feet of coverage in your yard. So on the side yard here, that's about 2,300 square feet. So we filled up the 4-gallon backpack sprayer. We're going to use 32 ounces of the Guaranteed Green Rapid Green, and that's going to cover almost the entire side yard. We're also going to mix up a little more so that we can do some work in the front yard. Like I said, it shouldn't take much, but it is a high urea and nitrogen-based fertilizer. So let's go ahead and get this mixed, get going, and get some fertilizer down and see how it works. Oh, and the reason that we've got gloves on is not necessarily because we've got any chemical or anything. Obviously, we've got a nitrogen-based fertilizer, but we put the gloves on because we're using a little bit of laser blue. And what this is going to do is this is a dye that's going to tell us exactly where we've been over the yard. And in my experience, once this gets on your skin, it doesn't come off for about 5 days unless you use shampoo and scrub vigorously. So we're just going to go ahead and mix this in and get this put away so that we don't stain anything. We don't get anything messed up on our yard, on our golf cart, on our driveway. We want to use it once and be done, but this will show us where we sprayed so we don't burn the yard. I don't really measure this. I just kind of open it and dump it in. Maybe that's why I get it everywhere. Okay. And now we're just going to put this back in the bag, get it out of here. Now, like I said, we've got an 8-ounce cup, so we're going to mix 4 of these to the 4 gallons to cover the area we want to cover. Now, it does look like we might get a little bit of rain this afternoon, but that's okay because Petromax does recommend that you water it in for 5 minutes or so after fertilizing. So if we get a little bit of rain, that's actually going to be a good thing as long as we don't get a total washout. All right, there we go. So let's get everything put away here. We'll get the battery put in the 20-volt max sprayer, and we will get to spraying. Let's go. Man, get this video done before it rains. Sun's coming out, sun's going away, storms are building. Somebody sex mother can't decide what it wants to do. Oh. Okay, there we go. Yep. Weight belt, because why not? Swap this over. It's off. There's no Roundup left in this thing. All right, let's go. Can y'all see how much blue is coming through on this? I don't know if y'all saw that. You see the camera falling? I don't know, it might have died early, but definitely just screwed up the camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and need you to hit that like and subscribe button because we're gonna have to get something new now and be easier if we had more subscribers, maybe monetized or something. Anyway, this is the side yard. Let me show this to you. You can see how dark green it is. That's just the dye. That's not what it is yet. But now we're going to hit a couple spots in the front yard. And then we're going to go ahead and water it in, see how it goes. We will post an update video in the next few weeks. I'm just going to end this one right here with a little short clip of me spraying the rest of the front yard. But as always, appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Thanks for watching The Average Homeowners, and we'll see you in the next one.